Okay, food science people, class work. I was just working on this. And trying to decide what I wanted to do. So yesterday we did nutrition professionals, and today we're doing calories. Let us talk about calories. All right. So, all right. So we're going to first define the word calorie. So let's go up here. All right. So it is a unit of energy defined as the amount of heat needed to raise a quantity of water by one. Well, really? There, a unit of heat to indicate the amount of energy foods produce in the body that is equal to 1,000 calories. Does that sound right? All right, I like this one better. A calorie is a unit of measure, but it doesn't measure weight or length. A calorie is a unit of energy. We sometimes hear that something contains 100 calories. It's a way of describing how much energy your body could get from eating or drinking it. I like that very much. So, what is a kilocalorie? Oh, a kilo. A kilo is a measure of weight. Kilo calorie. So, this is an amount of food, one large calorie. Wow, that's weird. All right. I don't usually things. I don't usually. So, kilocalories measure the energy in foods. And it's the amount of energy it takes to raise the temperature. And so even though we use the word calorie, it's actually kilocalories. Okay. All right. All right. So let's make that smaller. Negative, negative, negative. All right. So it wants to know what is your age and what is your gender, and find a chart that states how many calories should you consume? All right. So, how many calories should I eat daily? All right. So the estimated range is from 1600 to 2400 for an adult woman. And I'm going to copy the adult man for you men in this class. Assuming you participate in 30 minutes or less of exercise, how many calories should you consume? Really? It makes a difference. Well, I guess if I X so 2800 and up to 3000. Okay. So you can eat more if you exercise. Um all right. So, you know, the same thing. Thinking about the last two questions, how are calories consumed and physical activity related? How are calories That's what I said. Yeah. So physical activity allows you to eat more because it burns off more calories so you don't gain weight. All right. The number of calories you should consume depends on another number of factors. And I would say exercise is one. Based on what factors? Okay, so varies. Here we go. Age, sex, height, weight, and physical activity. You forget about your height, but yes, that does affect how much you take in. If you're 4'9", you can't eat the same thing as a 6 foot tall person. All right, so calories in, do we have fat? 1 gram of fat? Nine, a gram of is 4 calories. Four, four, I think this is 9. Let's go back and see. Carbohydrate, protein, and fat. Yes, so fat has much more calories. I am going to put this cute little video out there that you might want to see. If I can remember which one it was. I think it was this one. A lot of good facts in here that I don't think you guys know about. Edit, add link. It's a short film, what, 11 minutes, but it's got some interesting information in there. All right, back to our sheet. Wrong sheet. Don't need that sheet. Want this sheet. All right, so we have finished for today. So let me make my